Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit audio in Capcut. So as you can see here, I've already add a video that I want to edit, and then I'm going to add audio from Capcut. For example, this one. Okay, so if you want to add the audio, add it to the CapCut, oops, you can just click on the audio, and then as you can see here, these are the edit that you can make to the audio. You can adjust the volume like so, and then click on check icon, and you can also add some fade in and also fade out duration, or fade in and fade out effect on your audio. Just click on this. Okay, I'm going to add okay, you can also cut the audio like this to fit into the audio, to fit into the video, I mean. Okay, and I'm going to add the fade out effect like so. Okay, you can also split the audio and also match cut the audio like so, and then click check like so. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can edit an audio in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.